Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. For Tuesday the 22nd of April, I'm going to look at Eurodollar now, and the chart of Eurodollar has been sort of sliding recently. It's not really been able to hold on to this sharp move higher that we had a couple of weeks ago, and just this series of negative candlestick patterns concerns me on this chart here, and just at the moment you're getting this downside pressure that we've seen certainly yesterday, and there was a little bit of pressure to the downside early today, although that has rebounded slightly back above $1.38. But I'm certainly going to be watching out for this these key lows around $1.3780 that I think it could come under pressure in the coming days, and certainly these negative candlesticks that we've had in the last few days just gives me that little bit of more of concern. The momentum indicators are fairly neutral, you would argue. There's no real skew either way, although you would say that the stochastics are still just slightly in decline, but other than that the RSI and MACD lines are fairly neutral, not doing a great deal. But just this downside pressure that I think we've seen. This is on the hourly chart, and this just shows that the hourly moving averages have just rolled over and in negative configuration. And just this pressure that we've seen, you actually saw a breach of that 37.88 mark yesterday and early today, so that would suggest that the downside pressure is still a possibility there. And this sequence here in the last few days of lower highs as well. I think that the key mark we need to be watching out for is this low here at 37.78, as that would mark certainly a 1 week, if around about a 10-day low, to be honest, on this Eurodollar chart, and it would just suggest that I think that the move to the upside has just come to an end, and I think just with these moving averages rolling over, we're under a little bit of pressure, and possibly selling into rallies could be an idea here. You've got these momentum indicators on the hourly chart, which you see this stochastics, which is already up into overbought territory, and you've still got this band of resistance around the $1.38, just above $1.38 mark, that's coming in between 38 and 38.10, I suppose you'd probably say, and with these stochastics already into overbought territory, the MACD lines are in negative configuration, and the RSI is just unwound to 50, so you could argue that selling into strength could be a decent way to play this Eurodollar chart at the moment. Certainly in the last few days that appears to have been a decent idea to play it, so maybe once more that could be happening. I think you've still seen early on today this pressure on $1.3780, that sort of mark there, and I think these key supports are going to remain under pressure as the day goes on. So just watch out for that, and I think the existing home sales data that comes out at 3 o'clock could be something that certainly impacts this chart quite significantly on certainly today. So that's at 3 o'clock. So that needs to be kept in mind this afternoon. But I think at the moment I'm still edging towards a slight sell into rallies on this chart. Okay, so that's my Eurodollar appraisal today, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.